this video, I will show you how to use a gift card to make an online purchase on Sam's Club. For that, simply open up Chrome or any web browser or the Sam's Club app. In the search bar, search for Sam's Club, then click on the URL. After that, you can simply browse for the items here and add them to your cart. Then click on this 3 lines menu bar in the top left corner. Then click on account information. It will take you to the sign in page. Simply sign in to your account. Once you signed in, click on the 3 lines menu bar again. From here, click on account information. Then scroll down below. There you will find a wallet section. Under that, you will find payment method. Click on it. Then click on add payment. Then choose the gift card. Enter the card number and the 4-digit PIN. Then simply click on save card. After that, it will automatically be applied while you're purchasing. Or the next method is simply add items to your cart. Once those items are added to your cart, click on this cart icon in the top right corner. Then click on checkout. After that, once you're signed into your account, scroll down below. There you will find a payment method section. There, click on change. Then add your gift card information. Put in your card number and your PIN. Then simply click on apply. And then the gift card will cover certain amount of money from the bill. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.